Hello traders, happy new trading week to all of you. I know some of you must have been wondering what's been going on with the Akani trading system and the live evaluation challenge that we have been trading on. If you're new to this channel, we have been trading on the Akani trading system on the live evaluation challenge. You can see if you go down to our live stream here, we started on on June 27th. I think that's when we started the phase 1 and we passed the phase 1, and then we're on the phase 2 here. I think, yeah, on the phase 2. Just play this out. I think we're on the phase 2
Are you a
here.
professional looking to immigrate legally to the United States? Today we're gonna
Okay, and you can see on the phase 2, this was on the I think on the, we have a date and time here. No, we don't have a date and time here. Okay, yeah, it was on the 5th of July, right? We stopped trading. Equity lock was triggered around this area here. Okay, currently, let me just go down here. Okay, that didn't show here, but we are currently down about 1% thereabout. If you look at our MFF challenge here, this is our dashboard. You can see we are currently at $9,897 rather. And let's look at the trading history here. So we are currently had a set of profits here, but then equity lock was triggered. So as you can see on the trading strategy, our equity lock was triggered. Let me just cancel out of this and show you guys this on live. So you can see that this is exactly what is currently in our MFF, right? 9897, right? So we haven't traded for, I think, a period of 2 weeks thereabout now, and I'm thankful that the whole trading time limit has been removed, so we can now trade this for as long as we can, which is actually very nice. So guys, let me just view this out on a better screen so you guys can see where we are going at. Okay, so let me just do this here. Okay, so guys, the Akani trading system uses a trend following strategy, and we had a trend following strategy make a little bit of profits around the period of June. So you can see the price was trending in June, and that was why we're able to pass the MFF challenge phase 1. Okay, so you can see that in the period of July here, we basically had a consolidating market. So the market has been consolidating, which is more likely to result in loss when trading with the Akani trading system. And we obviously knew that after a trend comes a consolidation or a range usually. So that was why we had to set our equity lock to be just at minus 1%, so that by the time our equity gets to that amount, auto trading would be disabled and all our trades will be closed, and then we wouldn't trade for a while, hoping that we're going to have a trend pretty soon. Okay, so that's exactly what we're going to do right now. We're going to have to re-enable the Akani trading system, and then we're going to trade with a very low lot size, because we don't have any time limits or any time constraints anymore. So we have the time on our hands, and we know that as long as there's a trend, we are going to be in profits. Okay, so let's just reload the Akani trading system once again. So I'm just going to head over here, but before we do that, let's look at the back test. Okay, so let's look at the back test here, and let's look at the period where we hit minus 1%. Okay, and you can see that was around here. Okay, that was around here. Okay, so if we didn't disable automated trading and didn't trade for a while, we would have likely been in the same place or a little bit in profits than where we were at the initial phase. So this means that our initial forecast wasn't actually wrong or wasn't actually right. Okay, so for safe purposes, we just disabled automated trading, but we're going to have to re-enable that now. Okay, so let's set up the Akani trading system once more here. Okay, so let's head over to our expert advisors here, and let's just load the templates so let's just load the template here. Right click on the template, make sure we have automated trading disabled here. Okay, so templates, and I'm going to load the Akani trading system here. Okay, so automated trading disabled. Now I'm going to right click on the charts, right click on expert advisors, click on properties, click on load, and then I'm going to load the set file for the GBP-JPY pair. Okay, so Akani trading system, GBP-JPY set file, click on open, and then just going to change the lot size here to 0.25, and then change the partial close value to 0.20. Okay, so I'm going to enable equity lock also, and I'm going to set my maximum profit target to 10,500, which is where we passed the challenge, and I'm going to set my maximum risk target to 9,700. Okay, so I'm just going to click on OK, and then I'm going to, let me just make sure that I have live trading turned on here. So common and allow live trading is turned on. So now I can enable automated trading. Okay, so at the end of the 15 minutes, at the open of the next candle, it's going to likely open a trend if the current position is not in a neutral position. Okay, and the reason why we're actually trading with this broker or this challenge is because our trading strategy actually rhymes, the back test of our trading strategy actually rhymes with our forward test. Okay, so you can see we started out from here and we made a little bit of profit, and we're currently in a little bit of drawdown, and that is exactly what we have in our forward test. So this is the greatest arsenal, or I would say tool, that a trader can have, is where you have a trading strategy that your back test actually matches with your forward test, which means all of this here backwards to down to 2021, whatever you're testing on your back test is actually how it would have been in your forward test. So this is actually one of the greatest tools a trader can have, and this is why we are currently trading this system. So we're going to be currently streaming this back on live. Hopefully in the next 1 hour or next 2 hours, we're going to be streaming this back on live. So if you are watching these guys, feel free to head over to the live section and see how the trading robot is performing. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, feel free to reach out to us at Trading Kernel Support Team. I'm more than happy to assist you. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.